When my father and me and my grandmother returned to our apartment in Brest, and this was a war already, nobody knew what to do. But the thing was, my father had a teacher who was a Polish lady. Her name was Danilczyk, the last name. And she had a house not in the city, but very far from city, right on the border with some forest. So first, probably a couple of months, we did live in town first, before people around would understand who we were. But then we moved to her house. Behind her house, the woods and everything, and many bushes with berries, and a little chair, like a round mushroom, red. And I was sure that if somebody comes, I can sit on this chair behind, nobody will find me. Many families was killed, houses were empty. So it was possible to move from one house to another house, and that's how it was then. And I never would go outside to play with kids, but somehow my father was able to get some food, you know, like, because of her help, this lady, Danilczyk. After probably close to a year, the partisan movement started, because before nobody knew, but then some people escaped from ghettos. They were surrounded by Germans, so they fled to the forests, and after close to a year, the partisan movement started. This partisan movement started, and my father right away was looking for how to get there, to the forest, to the partisans. And somehow he did find the attachment of partisans. And what I remember, this man, and we were in this partisans detachment. The partisans of the detachment, they call in Russian борьба, which is struggle. And brigade was people avengers, which in Russian народные мстители. And this man was political leader and fought against anti-Semitism. A lot of partisans they would not accept Jewish people to the detachment because they don't want them to hide. They wanted to be killed by Germans. So it was almost impossible for Jews to get there.